Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Marzocco GS3 espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So you get a nice shot of espresso, just over, right around 9 bars of pressure there. You can see it here. And then really looks beautiful. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water is working well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.